Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, firstly you will need to find a tool like this, but with this tool you can eject the SIM card and SD card slot. Without this tool you won't make it, I tell you. So here you have this slot, and here you have this little hole in which you have to put in this tool. Slightly push it, and after that slot will come out. And here you have to put your SD card, and here your SIM card. And then put it back into your device. Just like this. Whoop. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And as you can see, there's also notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.